Welcome back. In this video we are going to just talk about the syllabus of the next unit. We completed successfully the 2 units of VLSI design. If anybody are having any queries regarding that, will you please comment. And coming to the unit number 3 of this VLSI design series, if you observe that this concept, the first concept, logic gates and other complex gates, it is already completed in unit number 2 with the name how to design any Boolean expression using CMOS logic. Okay, but once again I will just recap when I am discussing about this concept, logic gates and other complex gates. Don't forget logic gates in the sense NOT gate, okay, NAND, NOR and OR, XOR and XNOR gates. Then coming to the other complex gates, we are having 2 major complex gates, AND OR inverter concept, OR and inverter concept. I hope that are clear, all of you. Now coming to the one more concept, that is switch logic. This switch logic is just introduced in unit number 1 with the name as pass transistor logic. Okay, now here we are going to talk about how many types of switch logics are there, what is the difference between gate logic and switch logic, and what happens if we design with the switch logic. Okay, next coming to the next one, is there any alternate for the CMOS circuit? Absolutely, we are having so many alternate gates for CMOS circuit. We will talk about this. This is the first priority question in your third unit. This is the first priority question. You have to study this one very carefully. Okay, this is the first priority question. Let us consider this is the first part of unit number 3. Coming to the second part. Now you can observe this second part of unit number 3. In this second part, the first priority question is this one, sheet resistance and its concept applied to MOS transistor. Okay, this is the first priority question you have to talk about in unit number 3 part 2. Okay, now we will talk about what is meant by sheet resistance, how this concept is applied to MOS transistor, and don't forget this concept should be applied not only to MOS transistor, we have to apply for inverters also. Okay, is it understood? And after resistance we have to talk about what? Capacitance. You can observe that after resistance we have to talk about capacitance calculation, area capacitance calculation we have to talk. That means we are going to study about R and we are going to study about C. Now if you multiply these two, then you may have what? Delay. Okay, that is the next concept you can observe, inverter delays. I hope that are clear. That's why I said that the sheet resistance concept you should not only apply to the single MOS transistor, you should also apply to whom? Inverter. Is it clear? Now the last one and a 2 marks question, very important concept, that is what? Fan in, fan out. You can observe this one. I hope that are you clear. This is the unit number 3 what we are going to discuss in the coming series of my VLSI design lectures. Okay, this is fan in and this is fan out. It is a very important 2 marks question for your external point of view. Is it clear? That's it guys for today. If you are having any queries, you may please comment. Thank you very much and have a nice day.